God bless you.
I said, where you from?
I'm from Florida. Where you from?
Oh my gosh, Lord. Oh, Lord. I didn't know I was leaking that bad.
Now them bitches finna hate, all you do is inspire. Can't get you out of my mind. I'm saying stop playing, girl, you out of line. Couldn't erase these feelings even if I.
What's good, Talli team? It's your girl Talli Tattii in the building. You already know. Come to you with another monkey video. As you can read by the title, we'll be doing a sneezing prank part 2. Now if you didn't see the part 1, definitely go check that out. So today I'll be doing the part 2, and for the snot, so when you sneeze, you got a little snot coming out, okay? So I'll be using the Tattii Cosmetics vitamin C serum, okay? And I'm gonna apply it right now. Definitely check out Tattii Cosmetics vitamin C serum. This is actually good for dark spots. So say if you popped a pimple and you want that little mark to disappear, this will actually help lighten up the dark spot and even fade it away. So definitely check that out. But before we get into this video, y'all already know your girl sell eyelashes and skincare products, baby. We sell body polish, book bags, skincare products, eyelashes, highlight. We sell all that. So definitely check out the description box below and sign up for the website so you can always be notified when new products come out. And as well as follow our Instagram at Tattii Cosmetics. But yeah, we about to get into this video. Hello?
What's up?
How old are you?
I'm 18. How old are you?
And how much? Where you get that money from?
Shit, I got this little glitch going on with Cash App and Apple Pay.
Oh, so you a scammer? Huh? You a scammer, aren't you?
I ain't no scammer. I'm get good.
Oh, I'm allergic to snake scammers. Ooh. Ooh. Bye. No scammers. Bye. No scammers.
Every time.
No, you a scammer. You trying to scam me?
Fuck I'm scamming you for? You ain't got shit I want.
Hey.
Hey, cutie.
Thank you.
Dad, are you allergic to Mexican or what?
No, I'm not allergic to Mexican. I love Mexican.
Stop sneezing then.
I'm sorry, baby. Hello.
You about to do shit. What are you pulling this ass sometime?
Who the hell is
I
you talking to? Oh. I thought you was talking to me for a second. It was about to be a problem.
Hey, but this is what I'm about to talk to you about. I want to eat your ass.
Oh, you want to eat this? You want to eat this too?
What you do that for? Damn.
You want to eat this too? If you want to eat my booty?
Girl, you about crazy as
I mean, it is what it is, you know?
You about crazy as Yo, what the you doing?
Huh? You said you was going to eat my booty, so you might as well just eat my snot while you at it.
Add me as a friend right quick.
So you can eat my snot too? I'm serious.
Yo, this girl nasty as boy.
Thank you. I know. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, baby.
What's up?
Look, where you from?
Hey, Tom. What happened?
I said,
God bless you.
I said, where you from?
I'm from Florida. Where you from?
Oh my gosh, Lord. Oh, Lord. I didn't know I was leaking that bad. I'm sorry. You got some tissue? Oh my gosh, ew.
Man, you funny, bro. How old you is?
How old do I look? I'm 20.
For real?
How old are you?
I'm 19. But tell me you're not eating your boogers, bro.
I'm sorry. You ever tried it?
Nah.
You did before.
Nah. Maybe when I was little.
See, you did it before. Huh? Caught you.
But you doing it now.
So? I didn't do it when I was younger. Hey.
Yo, hey.
Hey, how you doing?
What?
I said, hey, how you doing?
Okay, yeah, I'm doing good.
Oh, where you from? Where you from?
I'm from UK.
I can hear you. I can hear it in your accent. Oh my gosh.
I'm from.
I'm sorry.
From Nigeria.
Yo. Oh.
Yes, no problem.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You still look pretty though.
I'm still pretty.
Yeah.
Thank you. I need some tissue. I can't keep using my hands, you know?
Yeah.
That's nasty, isn't it?
It depends.
Hello?
Listen.
I'm listening.
You can guess what NFL team I'm on. I'll tap you $100 right now.
What NFL team you on?
Yes.
Where you from?
I'm from Oklahoma.
So that means you play for that state?
I don't know. You tell me.
So you play for Oklahoma State?
So I said NFL. That's college.
Oh, I'm sorry. The Panthers. I don't know. I don't know football.
That's your final answer.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know.
I'm gonna turn this color on, and if you don't get it right, it's over.
Alright. I still don't know.
The Cincinnati Bengals.
For real?
Yes.
I don't know football. So. Bless me. Hello.
What it is then? Add time. I'm real aggressive. Yes, I made some camera drop. I'm real.
Oh.
I eat.
Oh, for real?
I eat. Ooh, bless, baby. Bless.
Do you eat this?
Boy. Motor about that. Girl, I thought you was gonna eat that. I was gonna say.
I mean, I can.
Right here. Huh?
I can though. I mean, it's mine. So, how about that?
I don't think you grosser than me, but that ain't facing me though.
Okay. Well, what's up then?
I'm a.
I feel like you was about to say some out of the wall stuff.
Hello.
Hey, how old are you?
19.
Oh, you old enough for me, baby daddy. So what's up?
You said what?
I said you old enough for me, baby daddy. So what's up?
Said nothing. What's up? I'm trimming weed.
Oh no, you can't be doing.
You said what?
You can't. You can't be doing drugs. Let me put some of this on your weed.
Nah.
Please.
That's the type of shit that's gonna get you knocked out. I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah.
So if I put this on your face, then what would you do?
You probably gonna get socked. I'm gonna be honest.
But we'll be together though. We'll be together. So like whatever is what's in my body is yours. So if my son is mine, it's yours.
No.
Yeah. So you should feel like we're one. You know. If I sneeze on you, you should accept that.
Oh.
Yo.
What's good?
I'm doing good, and you?
I'm good. Where you from? Bless you.
Thank you.
Where you at?
Signal.
Wait, how old are you?
I'm 19. How old are you?
I'm 18.
You just turned 18?
In August.
Oh, so you've been 18 for a minute.
Yeah. Yo.
What's up?
I got a question.
What's up?
Would you smash or pass?
Would you smash or pass my snot?
What?
Would you smash?
So would you smash or pass me?
My snot?
Shut up.
I'm serious. Did you say that?
No, I said no. Would you smash or pass
My
me?
snot? Huh?
Stop, yo.
I'm so serious.
No. Oh my god.
What did you say?
No, I I'll tell you. No, ignore that. I said, would you smash or pass? It's like smash.
I know what that mean.
Okay, me.
You said my snot?
What up with it?
Yo, what's up, boy?
Boy.
Man.
Man, yeah, fuck you talking about.
Sorry.
After time, let me talk to you real quick though.
What's up?
Yeah. Where you at?
I'm in North Carolina. Where you at?
I mean, Youngstown, Ohio. You probably never heard of it.
I only heard of Cleveland.
Damn! Oh, hell no. You gonna get me sick. Bro, that bitch just sneezed and wiped it off and licked it, bro. She on some weird shit. Smoke her ass.
You better put that gun down. That's a fake gun. That's your kid's gun.
It's a fake gun?
Okay. Alright, bye. Hello. Hey, little chocolate.
Hey, Mom.
How you doing? At home.
Looking gorgeous. What's her name?
Thank.
You good? She got allergies?
Yeah. I'm allergic to stuff.
Allergic to what? Niggas?
Huh? No.
Allergic to niggas?
I'm allergic to breaking your heart.
See, I got no heart.
You heard me? I said I'm allergic to breaking your heart.
Say what?
I'm allergic to breaking your heart.
You can break my heart anytime, B.
Oh.
God damn. Oh. Stay up, dude. Get some for allergies.
You got
I
some,
know you.
You got some tissue?
Yeah.
You just gonna give me a bag for tissue?
Yo, I don't have no tissue on me right now. I got a carry. You want to carry?
Hey, what's up, boy?
What you doing?
Shit, nothing. Talking to people because I'm bored. What you doing?
Nah. Bless you.
Thank you.
Where you from?
I'm from Philly. Ew. Where you from?
Pittsburgh. You good?
Oh my gosh. It's like it's an overflow.
You good, bro? Nah. Nah. Hey, let me see something real quick.
You want to see some of this?
Nah.
Uh-huh.
Nah.
Huh.
Nah.
Huh.
Nah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, boy. What you mean, let me see something real quick? What the hell is you want to see?
What's up?
Hey, you look high as hell. You okay, boy?
Oh, shoot.
You look tired. Are you good?
I'm good, bro. Are you good? What the fuck?
Ooh.
Is that a sneeze?
Yeah.
Nigga, you heard of a tissue?
Did I hear of a tissue?
Did you just kiss it?
I did not just kiss it. I was just wiping my nose.
Wipe your nose and kiss your fingers, nigga?
I didn't. I need a tissue, though. I wish she was here with me so I could just wipe it on your face.
You got issues. You got some issues.
I think I do. I think I do. I love you.
What the fuck?
Hello?
Hello.
Are you chewing on your food so aggressive? What that food do to you?
Because the popcorn getting stuck in my tooth, but that's why I'm chewing so hard.
You can't stop that. That shit always gonna happen.
But, look, where you from?
I'm from Houston. What about you?
I'm from Philly. You from Houston? From, like, Whitney, Houston?
Yeah. Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you.
You seem like a dog. Ain't nobody ever told you that?
And what do you sneeze like? What do you sneeze like?
Huh?
What do you sneeze like?
I don't sneeze.
You're lying. Now lick my snot.
No, I'm not. I look musty.
I said lick my snot.
Oh. Nah.
Okay.
I'll lick it in person. Don't worry about it. You just
Whoa, you said you're
You
looking.
you just what?
I mean,
Hell no.
you just said you was gonna look at it in person. So
It's a-
meaning
it's a
that
joke.
what I did wasn't nothing bad.
It's a joke. It's a joke.
You just say you was gonna look at it in person. So
It's
what
a
I did is
joke.
not a problem.
It's a joke.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not. Love you.
Yeah, it is.
Bye. So y'all, that was it. That was all. If you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs upsies. And comment down below if I should do a part 3 to this or whatever, or just comment down below if you enjoy the video. So now it's time for notification gang, notification shout outs. You feel me? You feel Tattii. So the first shout out goes to XOXO_Maria_96. Shout out to you, girl. The next shout out goes to Savage Timmy Turner 21. Shout out to you, 21. The next shout out goes to MJ Bash. Shout out to you, baby. And the last shout out goes to, I cannot pronounce this, I'm sorry if I say it wrong, but shout out to tashiamo.mokithe or thigh. I'm sorry, but shout out to you, and thank you guys so much for all the love and support that you guys been giving the Talli Tattii. And if you guys want to be a part of notification gang and notification shout outs, send me a screenshot that you got my YouTube post notifications on to this Instagram right here. And yes, your girl will be checking. Like, comment, subscribe, all that goody stuff you already know. It's your girl Talli Tattii, and we is out this. Peace. See you guys.
All them bitches finna hate, all you do is inspire. Can't get you out of my mind.